Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to use the ezDispense. Your LG washing machine can detect the weight of your laundry load and automatically dispense the optimal amount of detergent and fabric softener to make doing the laundry easier. So let's go over how to use the ezDispense. How to fill the ezDispense compartments. To fill the ezDispense compartments, first pull the ezDispense drawer out far enough to remove the detergent and softener caps. The right side is for liquid detergent, and the left side is for liquid fabric softener. However, the softener dispenser can also be used as a detergent dispenser. We will cover that later in this video. Next, turn the caps anti-clockwise to open the detergent and softener dispensers. Then, pour the detergent into the right side up to the max line. And pour the softener into the left side up to the max line. Do not put powdered detergents, powdered bleach, gel detergents, or sheet-type detergents into the ezDispense compartments. After filling the compartments, insert the caps and turn them clockwise until they are tightly closed. Now push the ezDispense drawer back in. Sensors will automatically detect if the drawer is not fully closed and notify you by flashing O.P.N. in the display and sounding an alert tone. Just make sure the drawer is all the way back in, and you are good to start a washing cycle. The indicator icons above the dispenser 1 or 2 buttons will blink when you need to refill the relevant compartment. Check the icons before starting a cycle to make sure you don't run out of detergent or softener during a wash. Now that you have filled up the ezDispense compartments, you are all set to start washing your clothes. Because the ezDispense automatically dispenses the optimal amount of detergent and softener, all you have to do is select a cycle and press start for most of your wash cycles. However, the ezDispense function is turned off and in manual mode by default for wash cycles that might require special attention such as wool. But if you want to use the detergent and softener in the ezDispense compartments, just press the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons to turn the ezDispense back on. How to manually adjust the dispense level. You can also manually adjust the amount of detergent and softener dispensed for the current cycle by toggling through the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons. Less mode is suitable for lightly soiled clothes. If you want to set it to normal mode, press the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons again. Most of the cycles will be set to this mode by default, since it is suitable for most of your daily clothes. Press the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons once again to set the ezDispense to more mode, if you want to add more detergent or softener for heavily soiled clothes. It's also a good idea to check the ezDispense level before starting each wash cycle. How to use the manual dispense function. If you don't want to use the detergent and softener inside the ezDispense compartments, and want to use specialized detergents for delicates like wool or lingerie, use the manual mode setting. First, press the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons to turn off the ezDispense function, and set the washing machine to manual mode. Now that you are in the manual dispense mode, all you have to do is pull the ezDispense drawer out until you can fully access the manual dispense compartment. Then pour the liquid or powdered detergent into the manual dispense compartment. But do not mix liquids and powders. Also, do not use the manual dispenser for single-use detergent packs. Place single-use detergent packs in the drum with the clothes. Now push the ezDispense drawer back in and you are all set to wash your clothes with a specialized detergent. How to change the default dispense amount. You can also change default dispense amount settings for the ezDispense function. To do so, first turn the knob to select the desired cycle you would like to change the dispense amounts for. For example, If you'd like to change the dispense amount for the cotton washing cycle, turn the knob to cotton. Next, press the dispenser 1 or 2 button for 3 seconds to select a compartment. The detergent or softener dispense amount settings will appear on the display. Turn the knob to increase or decrease that amount. Save the changes by pressing and holding the dispenser 1 or 2 button for 3 seconds. How to use both dispenser compartments for liquid detergent. The ezDispense system is set by default to dispense liquid fabric softener from dispenser 2. However, the dispenser 2 compartment can also be used to dispense detergent instead of softener if you prefer. Before converting dispenser 2 to use detergent, or back to using a softener, be sure to clean the compartment. To do so, check out our guide on how to clean the ezDispense drawer. After you've made sure the compartment is clean, and you want to fill the same exact type of liquid detergent in both compartments, follow these steps. First, press and hold the dispenser 1 and dispenser 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds, until you hear a beep. S-E-T will then appear on the display. Next, press the dispenser 1 button to light up the link indicator. Then press and hold the dispenser 1 and dispenser 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds again to save the changes. You can now use the same type of detergent in dispenser 1 and dispenser 2. When using different types of liquid detergent. If you want to use a different type of liquid detergent in each of the ezDispense compartments, press and hold the dispenser 1 and dispenser 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds, until you hear a beep. Then press the dispenser 2 button to light up the liquid detergent indicator. Now, press and hold the dispenser 1 and dispenser 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds to save the changes. You are now set to use different types of detergent in dispenser 1 and dispenser 2. Setting the dispenser 2 compartment back to liquid fabric softeners. If you want to use the dispenser 2 again for liquid fabric softener, press and hold the dispenser 1 and dispenser 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds, until you hear a beep. Then, press the dispenser 2 button to set it back to dispense liquid fabric softener again. Lastly, press and hold the dispenser 1 and dispenser 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds to save the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to get the most out of the LG ezDispense system. Thank you for using LG washing machines.